Hello, I'm Martin Jerk, founder of Additive Assurance, and we are providing quality assurance for additive manufacturing.
To a lot of people, metal additive manufacturing appears as magic. You put your designs into the machine, press print, and at the end of it, your part rises out of the powder, ready to go. Unfortunately, it's not this simple. Parts often fail or contain voids or defects, which means they can't be placed into service. Not only this, but these defects are so small that using current technology, they're extremely difficult to detect. We believe additive manufacturing should be simple, so we have developed a machine learning powered sensor package to automate quality control. With our process, operators are notified of defects in real time, so they can take corrective action, saving manufacturers time and money. Powerful analysis delivered through a simple user interface allows operators to easily assess and qualify components.
Additive Assurance, quality assurance for additive manufacturing.